years. Mga Lego.
Okay, so may request everyone to please settle down as we are about to start the program for today. Thank you so much.
Mga gayon.
Dapat ito na ba? Ginangita akong kanin. Kanina lang parat. Parat ni Sino kargado. Bitsin na po. Kanina ang tiyo. Stick ko naman ang kaon. Panuhan ko. Tama na.
100 years birthday.
Okay, now my dear Aries, ladies and gentlemen, please help me to welcome the star of tonight's celebration, escorted by her two beloved son, Sir G and Boy. Ladies and gentlemen, Mom and Mitch, let's get it.
Tamakan niya ba?
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, palapakan pa natin si Lola Remings together with her wonderful family. And habang nag-pictorial po sila, kung okay lang po sa inyo after the count of 3, sabay-sabay tayong sisigaw ng isang malakas na happy birthday. Okay lang? Okay, everybody, let's say happy birthday, please. Let's make it loud and clear para mas ramdam natin yung ating selebrasyon sa gabi ito. And 3, 2, 1! Good job, yes, boy. I love it. Maraming salamat po. Sige, picture lang muna kayo. Huwag mo na maalas. Kaway-kaway. Ayun. And request lang po yung family. Stay na muna kayo dyan. Kasi bago po talaga natin simulan ang ating celebration sa gabi ito. Gusto din natin na mas mag-bless talaga si nanay. Yes? Shout out kayo ng happy birthday, sabi ni Sir Videographer. Okay, please say happy birthday. 3.
Si Mama Isay, yung husband, yung anak. Ano ka kasi, ginawa ko sa kanta. Mama Remings, whose full name is Remedios Terasola Marino Guerrero, was born on July 21, 1926 in Bato, Batanduanes. She has lived through many in World War II began. She was 13 years old. In 1941, Japan invaded the Philippines. She was 15 years old. In 1942 to 1945, the Philippines was under Japanese occupation. She was 15 to 18 years old. July 6, 1944, she married Papa Angeles Robles Guerrero Sr. through an arranged marriage. She was only 17 years old, almost 18. During their wedding, the war was still ongoing. Shortly after the ceremony, Papa Iles left for Luzon to serve as a soldier. In 1945, World War II ended. She was 18 years old. Together, Mama Remings and Papa Iles built a beautiful family. They were blessed with 10 children, of whom 7 are still with us today. Through their love and sacrifices, our family was continued to grow. Today, they are also blessed with 14 grandchildren and 9 great-grandchildren. Mama grew up during a time when life was simple, but very difficult. Hard work was part of everyday life. She often tells us that her feet stayed small, gamay ang tiyan sa akong mama versus sa iyahang lawas. Tumod, she spent so much time stripping and weaving abaka. Isa may nakabalot din ay abaka nga ginawin. So, kung siya, pero hindi niya tin-story sa mga. Tuwing paghilot ko sa iyaha, mukanta siya o gamay, tigil, dakok, tiyan, abi na ko ito. Modo, sir, pero hindi niya ikanta sa mga. So, over the past 100 years, she was witnessed extraordinary changes from horse-drawn transportation to modern technology, from handwritten letters to video calls, and from small family gatherings to seeing generations of children, grandchildren, and now great-grandchildren. Throughout her life, Mama Remings has been a loving and obedient daughter. Although she experienced an arranged marriage and was deprived of the opportunity to continue her education, she never allowed those hardships hardship to stop her from becoming a devoted wife, a caring mother, a proud grandmother, and now a cherished great-grandchildren, a grandmother. She always placed her family at the center of her life, raising each generation with kindness, patience, wisdom, and unconditional love. Her home has always been open to everybody, relatives and non-relatives alike. I grew up surrounded by many people, different religion, cultures, and backgrounds. Everyone was welcome with warmth and treated like family. Mama always reminds us, don't fight with your in-laws, especially your mother-in-law. She believed that peace in the family is one of life's greatest blessings. Her life reminds us that true wealth is not found in money or material things, but in the relationship we build, the values we pass on, and the memories we create together. Lesson we learn from Mama Remings. Always put God first in everything. Love your family without conditions. Work hard and remain humble. Forgive quickly and keep your heart at peace. Respect everyone regardless of status. Be grateful for every blessing, big or small. Face difficulties with courage and faith. Live simply, but love generously. 100 years is more than a measure of time. It is a testimony of God's grace. I would like to share a personal story. So one day, Mama came into my room and said, "Tinood ko siya, nahitabog beauty siya. Na ako din ng testimony." Ingon siya, "B, sakit ako iyan." Hearing those words made me sad. When Mama was young and strong, she never complained about her pain. Instead, it was always us who went to her whenever we were sick. We would tell her, "Mom, sakit akong ulo," or "Mom, I'm not feeling well." She was always there to comfort and take care of us. No, now time has changed. Our parents cared for us when we were weak and helpless. Today, as we grow older and weaker, it is now our turn to care for them with the same love, patience, and sacrifice they give us throughout our lives. I remember seeing Mama, together with her sister and sister-in-law, lovingly care for Lolo Pino. Siguro wala naman kayo kay Lolo Pino. Amin ang first generation. Nakapaligay na kayo lang. Papa na siya ni Mama. Her father, when he was bedridden for 8 months.
Naman ang chicken na eh.
Kung ano sunod ka na may reming ang magunan di Jess. Iya, piga sabi mo. Kita, sikisipin mo ay sikisipin mo na yung mabigil na.
Tungit na eh.
Langit. Kaya, siya sabi, lagi na lang. Magkain ka masarap, magkain ka ng bagoong, parehong mamatay.
Swerte lang yun.
Gusto'y kailangan mahuli ako sa
Ay, kaya... birthday, 100 years old.
Nanay Regine, as CEO ng Kamarlaga. Ginawa na po namin po Sir Joel. Mga nakasko, yung aming mga kanila, may emotional talaga sila. So,
Birthday, my Remings.
mga magulang.
100 years old.
Kung kaya na natin no, na ipakita talaga yung buong pagmamahal, ipakita po natin. Kung hindi natin masabi sa kami, ipakita namin ang buong respeto. Eh, hindi ba na no, daughter's heart, the granddaughter, ibigin po siya ng mensahe. Green heart, nagkakita exposure ng love, you're going. Ano message?
Picture na.
So tonight, we celebrate our greatest treasure na si
Sapa.
Mama, Manay Rin, Lola